Hey everyone, I hope you all are doing great in your life plus in your studies also. So today I attempted this SBI JA mains mock test from textbook, and it is the full mains mock test number 3. Okay, and now I'm gonna share the scores with you. So I got 86.25 today in this mock test, and the cutoff was around 80 to 85, and then I attempted 111 questions, but the accuracy is not that much good in the mains mock test. So this is the accuracy and this is the percentile. So this is the number, this is the score which I got, like 13 in general awareness. Cause in general awareness the questions were given of previous months, as this is a mains mock test number 3 and it was released before the prelims examination. So the mainly the current affairs were from January, February and March. Then in English I got 25, then in quant I got 27, and then in reasoning I got 21.25. So you can see the cutoff is 80 to 85, but I could have scored more, as in quantitative aptitude I was just like, I wasted some time, but yeah, I will try to improve it. And the main thing is, the mains mock test is the selection of questions. Okay, try to select the easy questions and try to solve them. Then the attempts are this: in general awareness 18 attempts, then in English 40, then in quant 27, and in reasoning 26. Okay, and the timing is this, the accuracy is this, only quant has the good accuracy, otherwise like English also suffers very much, but I will try to improve it. In English I am nowadays making lots of mistakes cause of the vocabulary. So this is the like weak and strong areas. And the other thing is that, just wait a minute. This, so in this mock test, like these basic things are also given, the basic concept is also given in every mock test and in every question. Okay, like the conjunction but is necessary to include the sentence, this is contrasting ideas. So this is the best thing about textbook. Now I will discuss about the level. So earlier I was thinking that textbooks mock tests are easy, but no, it is not like that. In quant also the level of quantity and DS and arithmetic is good. Okay, it is not that easy mock test anymore, and it is like one level up from Adda mock test. Okay, then in reasoning also the puzzles were also of like mains level, high level puzzles were there, and in English also the level was good. So the level was good, you can't say that it is like easy mock test or anything, the level is good, plus the questions are also good. So if you want to go for the textbook pass, then I will give you the link in the description, as it is highly affordable. In one subscription you will get the access of everything, like of SSC, bank, railways, everything you will get access. Plus there are other practice questions also, like the topic wise test. So I think it is best, and that's all for this video. Thank you and have a nice day.